how to add sitemap to Google Search Console if your website is built on self-hosted WordPress content management system. In this video session, let's go and see how we can add an XML sitemap if you're using WordPress. When you log into your WordPress dashboard, under plugins, you can press Add New. Then simply search for XML Sitemap in the plugins repository. Then select the XML Sitemap plugin you'd like to use for your WordPress site. There are popular ones, and also there are SEO plugins that actually has XML Sitemap functionality. For example, Yoast SEO plugin actually generates an XML sitemap. So if you're using things like that as an SEO plugins, just triple check their XML functionality. Do they have it? If so, then you don't need to install a separate plugin. Let's imagine you've used a XML sitemap generator plugin. Then all you need to do is locate the XML sitemap location on your WordPress site. Usually sitemap.xml will actually show us sitemap locations. Then all you need to do is whichever sitemap you'd like to submit to Google Search Console. In my example, Yoast SEO plugin has generated a parent sitemap. So if I wanted to add that in Search Console, all I need to do is paste that sitemap location, then press Submit. But let's imagine your WordPress site was using WooCommerce. Then it may be wise to submit separate sitemaps according to the type of WordPress site that you're using. Furthermore, if you'd like to generate your own sitemap instead of using plugins for WordPress, there are many online tools available. All you need to do is provide your website details and then let online tools generate sitemaps for you. Then it's just a matter of uploading the XML file to your web server. If you're using cPanel, log into your cPanel, locate File Manager, then upload the XML file to your installation directory. So, adding a sitemap to Google Search Console for self-hosted WordPress sites, you have many different options. You can use plugins that generate the sitemap for you. You can use online tools. Also, there is another option. I'll show you that as well. If I press on Ctrl-U on my keyboard, all WordPress content management systems have feed URLs. In my example, let me search for feed. I've actually disabled mine, but yours will 100% will have it. That means just search for feed or RSS. So you can actually submit the feed as a sitemap in Search Console. So keep that in mind. Whether you use a plugin for XML sitemap generation, whether you're using online tools, the choice is plentiful for WordPress content management system. Or you can use the built-in feed URLs or RSS feeds and so on and submit that in Search Console. The best practices is explained in the previous video sessions in terms of how to submit the sitemaps to Search Console properly, as in the best practices. While here, keep in mind, Rank Your Website courses section has been updated by 2 brand new private courses, SEO for the Future and Google Search Console Crash Course. I strongly encourage you to check them out because it will help your website to get better results on internet. I thank you for learning with Rankia, and I'll talk with you in the next video session.